excited. He really likes Homestuck. No, it's okay. Don't worry. They're gonna be alright. Just watch, Jaspers. Whenever I put it on, he comes over and he watches my computer. Come on, Jaspers, it's Descend. It's your favorite. Oh, he's losing interest. That's so depressing. No, don't worry. It's okay. Look, see, there's Jade. Okay, he's watching again now. He's purring. He likes this. He likes Jade. I really don't know what... My cat is purring at home. No, Jaspers, dude, I think he's scared of Jack, because every single time he appears, he, like, turns around. It's okay, he's gone now. Oh, no, wait, he's still there. Stop licking yourself and watch the flash. Oh, okay, there we go. Don't worry, bro's gonna be okay. No, don't. Oh, it's getting intense, man. He's still purring. Oh my god. Getting bored? No? Your head itches? Babies make your head itch? Oh look, there's my babies. Look at them, aren't they cute? No, it's not over yet. Okay, now it's over. What'd you think, Jaspers? What'd you think? You just gonna keep staring at the screen? Oh, you're sad. It's over? Here, we'll go watch another one, okay?